welcome back to my channel. This time I'll be showing you how to make your very own soap. So I'm going to be using soap cubes and some soap coloring and a spoon. And I'm going to be using a safe microwave pitcher, plastic mold, and let's get started! I'm going to be adding 9 soap cubes in each side. And now, ask your mom to put it in the microwave. We ended up putting it in the microwave for 25 seconds. Now it's a little bit hot, so be careful. And now we're going to be adding 1 drop of blue food coloring and 1 drop of pink coloring. Close the lid and pour it in the mold. Now add the mold in the freezer for 15 minutes. Now it is time to flip it over.